Enabling Passkey in Microsoft Authenticator is pretty easy, just you need to follow this step-by-step guideline and I'll show you in this video. So enable the Microsoft Authenticator Passkey for your app, for your phone. You need to open the Entra Admin Center, expand the protection and open authentication more methods and the policies, open FIDOT security key. Make sure it's enabled and all users or add a group. Click on the configure the FIDO security settings like allow self-service setup, yes, enforce registration, no. And you can see on the screen how you can do it simply, right? Now select either the Microsoft Authenticator preview checkbox or add the following keys. Now you have to click on the save when you are done. Now what you need to do is go to the Microsoft Authenticator app. It's super simple. Click on plus icon, choose the work or school account, tap sign in. After that, type in the email address and complete your MFA flow. You might see a page sign in with your phone. Click on the continue, tap on the setting, open your mobile phone setting, go to the password and account, ensure the authenticator is enabled as provider. Now go to the return to the Authenticator app and click on the done. And Authenticator will create a passkey and additional ways to sign in. So this was how you can do it simply, and I'll see you in the next one.